Hi, my friend. I trust that you're having an excellent day. I am so excited to be bringing this information to you. I've been talking to you about affiliate marketing, how you can sell other companies, products, and services without having a website, without having email list, without having technical know-how, without having to create a product or service. And this came across my desk. I've already plugged into it. I'm very excited. This is for the affiliate marketing beginner. If you have been around for a while, when you plug in and you see the concise and the step-by-step training that they give, and they don't just give you training, they tell you where to go and they give you the content to post. It is phenomenal. I do suggest that when you do get the content that you tweak it so that it sounds like you, but they have eliminated any reason for you to say no, even down to the price. The price is a low barrier to enter. You won't say no. Okay. And if you won't say no, the other people who you're getting in front of who are working full time and want to earn that extra income, they're not going to say no either. So they've taken away the excuses. It's phenomenal. Not to say that you would have an excuse, but there is no excuse for you not to use this system. All right. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come here and you're going to watch this free step-by-step training. You're going to want to watch the video, but you got to put your email in and then you watch the video. Okay. I also recommend that you read the page. Now, once you do that, eventually you're going to come to a page like this. All right. So I'm not going to go through it. I will tell you to read it. I'll tell you to watch this video, the second video. I will tell you to read through all of this and get a good understanding, because it's a very simple system to understand. Exactly what he says here is exactly what you're getting. And if you're new, great. If you're new to this industry. But if you're not new, then you know that there have been opportunities where someone will tell you this is what you're going to get, and you don't get that. Or they'll tell you, oh, there's no upgrades, but then you get 5 and 6 upgrades. Not so here. Not so here. All right. That's another reason why I like it. It's straight and to the point. So when you get to this page, like I said, I'm not going to read it to you. I want you to do that. There's 2 things that you have to do though. Once you get it, okay, it's $7. And then there is a one-time upgrade. And he's going to explain to you why that is important and what you get for that one-time upgrade, which is $37. But I do want to tell you, when they say it's a one-time upgrade, it's a one-time upgrade. Okay? And you'll want to do that. So you're looking at total of $44 to get this training system that's going to help you create additional income while you're working full time. It's 90% commissions. Okay? So he's going to tell you all of that. The reason why that second upgrade is so important, I've already talked to people on my email list. Is there any way that I can get that upgrade? I didn't understand. Email the company, because there is no way that I know how to give you an upgrade. But when they tell you it's a one-time upgrade and this will be the only time that you see it, they actually mean it. Okay? And so, like I said, this is really phenomenal. It's perfect for beginners. Perfecto for beginners. And I'm just excited to be bringing it to you, you all. I'm so excited. Now, the last thing that I'll tell you is what you learn in here. Not only will it show you how to promote this system, how to promote the training that you get within this system, but the very thing that it's training you on is the very way that you will promote other products and services. It's phenomenal. So it transcends across the line. So what you're learning here, you can apply to whatever it is that you want to promote online. So again, no website needed, no tech savviness needed, no email list needed. You just come in, learn, and post where they tell you to post, which will attract people to this system. Oh, I'm so excited. And once you get in, email me, or I will email you as well if there's anything that I can help you with, but they've answered all the questions. All we have to do is apply it. So don't let the start stop you. All right. So click the link, get your free step-by-step training, and let's rock and roll. Many blessings.